This worker is soldering the charging case, soldering the wireless earbuds charging case. He works very carefully, assembling the contacting point. This QC is testing the charging base of the wireless. This is the glue machine. Add some glue to the wireless earbuds. This technician is testing the speaker's sound quality, the speaker's frequency response curve. Frequency response. Assembling the contacting point on the wireless earbuds. This worker is soldering the wireless earbuds. Because the components are very small, he works very carefully. Very small components. He works carefully. This test station is very important. The QC is checking the soldering quality of the PCBA. That's PCBA on the wireless earbuds. From this screen, the QC can check if the soldering quality is good or not. This is a microscope, so the wireless earbuds PCBA can be displayed on the computer display very large. She works carefully. She is very careful. Because the display window is big, so the soldering quality can be checked easily. You can see even the screen printing, the printing on the component can be seen clearly. The printing on the component, this printing on the component. This is a capacitor, that's a very small component, but can be displayed here very large. So the QC can check the soldering quality easily. Very clear. This is an IC. This is the small component. Each soldering point can be seen clearly. Each soldering point can be displayed clearly. testing the current. This testing method is simple but effective. The QC can check if the current is okay or not. Passed. Put it together. Because there are no screws on the wireless earbuds, so the factory has to use some glue to fix the wireless earbuds. Have you noticed? Even the worker, like the beauty, this worker wear a stone bracelet. This stone bracelet. Some stone bracelet is expensive, depends on the quality. You know, Myanmar produce a lot of stone bracelet. If you like stone bracelet, you can go to Myanmar to buy some. Add some glue. Add some glue. Put it together. Then press. Press tight. Okay, done. This QC is checking the cosmetic checking. Very careful. Passed. This station tests the Bluetooth distance. One QC operates two test machines. Two test machines. This test machine, the test is finished and the result is good. This machine, the test is going on. Testing. Reading the data. Reading the data. Reading the data. Finish. Test is finished and the result is good. The test result is good. Two test machine. 1, 2. Put in another one. This test station tests the sound quality of the speaker and the microphone. There are 9 sections on the screen, all about the sound quality, about the sound quality of the speaker and of the microphone, so the sound quality can be displayed here clearly. Nine sections on the screen. Testing. Oh, I see. Maybe if the curve is between the two lines means the test result is okay. If beyond the red line, it's not okay. And you see, oh, between the two red line, green line, then this is the test result. It's okay. Below the red line, it's okay. Yeah, below the red line, it's okay. Let's see the machine, the test machine. This is the shielding room. These rooms are important for wireless earbuds manufacturing because the Bluetooth signals, the frequency of the Bluetooth signal is very high. The factory has to use this shielding room to test some features of the wireless earbuds. Shielding room. There is a test equipment inside the shielding room. Test equipment. Test the Bluetooth features. This is the test equipment in the reliability test section in the laboratory. Have you noticed this test equipment is also produced in China, in Dongguan City, next to Shenzhen City. This box is used to keep the workers' mobile phone because the workers are not allowed to bring their mobile phones during the work. I mean, put the mobile phones into the pocket. Yeah. So all of the workers have to submit the mobile phones during the work. Then the production supervisor will lock their mobile phones here. This is just a control method to increase the production efficiency. This is the slogan in the production workshop. Our factory pays attention on the company culture. Company culture is important for a factory.